Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you're into that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe, like the videos that you enjoy, and click that bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video. Today I have one question for you. Do you have sticky zippers? This zipper's actually not that sticky. But when I first got my Trevi GM, which I don't have anymore, I sold that, it had a sticky zipper. It was hard to get it started and it would sometimes get caught part of the way through the zipping. So I took it into Louis Vuitton to the repair department and I asked them what to do about it. The answer they gave me, and they actually took it in the back and did it for me. They don't always do that for you, but they were very nice. They said beeswax. So you can buy beeswax at, not like a candle, don't just buy a candle and rub it on your bag, but get pure beeswax from a craft store like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and you would just rub that on the zipper. And when he gave it back to me, there were actually little pieces of wax that you could see on it. And he said as you use it, that will lubricate the zipper more and those pieces will like get incorporated and sort of wax the zipper, right? One other thing I've heard, if you don't have access to beeswax, is that you could use wax paper. You rub that along both sides of your zipper, get that metal coated, just rub it really good, and that's supposed to help lubricate the zipper so it will run more smoothly. By the way, if you're wondering why this vachetta is so much lighter than the rest, I have the tab replaced because the original was ripped and about to fall off. Another thing you can do to help your zipper run more smoothly is to clean it. Sticky zippers can be a problem with older bags, like vintage bags like that one. That bag's about 30 years old. One thing you can use to clean your zippers is Brasso, and then another thing you can use to clean your sticky zippers is metal polish cream. Both of these work very well. I don't have a recommendation of one over the other. Whichever one suits you is fine. And you would just put those on a soft clean cloth or maybe on a Q-tip, depending on what you're cleaning and how precise you need to be. Put these on and let them sit there, and then with a clean cloth you rub the polish off and your hardware is clean. Make sure you read the instructions on both of these and what kind of metal they clean, because they're not for everything. Some are specifically for brass or silver or whatever else. I do have the Brasso and the Blue Magic metal polish cream in my Amazon shop, and that is listed below. And that's your quick tip of the day. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.